Hey magic makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new and this is the first time you see my face. Before I get started, please join my YouTube family by clicking the red subscribe button down below and the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. By the way, this month is crazy because it's gonna be Halloween. I decided to post one makeup every day on my channel, so make sure you come back tomorrow and check back, and check out my previous videos as well so you don't miss any of my crazy Halloween makeups. Today, the train is passing, so I gotta stop talking. It's such a cute and fun, slightly creepy makeup, right? What was I gonna say? In this tutorial, I will show you how to do this cute, slightly creepy but fun makeup for Halloween inspired by the Cheshire. I don't know how to say it. I should have looked it up before. Cheshire cat? The crazy cat in Harry Potter. Oh my god, I am all over the place today. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this cute, slightly creepy but fun Cheshire cat. This version is not the Disney version, it's the Tim Burton's version. Without further ado, I'm gonna let you watch the tutorial and I will see you at the end. Enjoy! Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you like it. I had a lot of fun creating this makeup for you guys, and I will see you tomorrow with another Halloween makeup. Please leave me a I'm sorry. Please leave me a thumbs up. Just one, because you can't leave multiple thumbs up. And you can leave one and remove it and leave it again, but it doesn't make any sense, so don't do it. Just leave me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment if you want to connect with me, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I think that is it. I will come back tomorrow with another Halloween makeup.